Hello and welcome to Wonderful Wednesday. We're here with another workout for you today. It's going to be a lot of fun, all right? So here we are. Here's our warm-up today for Wednesday the 13th. 2 rounds, 30-second bike or just toe taps run. Remember when it says bike, we can do rowing, jumping, running, anything that we got going on for cardio movement, okay? 5 and 5 suitcase deadlifts or 10 deadlifts. So if you only have 1 dumbbell, you do 5 left, 5 right. If you have 2, do 10 total, okay? Regular deadlifts. Suitcase just means they're off to the side, kind of like you're picking up a suitcase in one of those old-time movies, all right? 10 dumbbell strict press or backpack with a 3-second pause overhead. So we saw this earlier in the weekend, one of our warm-ups. We're going to hold overhead 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and come back down, okay? 5 broad jumps. Now what I like to say for broad jumps, to give yourselves a standard for the broad jump, what I like to do is lay down and put a mark at my heel and mark at my head. And that's kind of my standard for doing broad jumps, okay? I want to be able to jump my height, okay, from side to side. So I'll jump from one side to the other, turn around and jump back. That way you're not jumping like 30 feet down the road, okay? So just set up a nice little, maybe mark off a little area that's about as tall as you or as far as you think you can jump and do a nice little broad jump, okay? 5 bootstrappers. You're gonna grab your feet, put your hips up in the air, stretch out those hamstrings and stand back up, repeat, okay? 5 of those. So we're gonna go through 2 rounds of all of this, a little cardio movement and then some little weightlifting and some body weight movement, okay? So let's get into our workout today. So today we have a 2-parter. We have a little EMOM strength movement, and then we're gonna get into our Metcon after this. So let's check out our movements here. 6 minutes, minute 1, minute 2, so 3 rounds. 3 deadlifts, 3 hang muscle cleans, 3 push press, okay? So you're gonna do 3, 3, 3, okay? Deadlift, clean, push press. Okay, minute 1. That means the weight needs to be light enough that you can move quickly with this. You want to try and get 9 reps in about 40 seconds, okay, 30 to 40 seconds. That way you have about 20 seconds of transition time to the next movement. And then minute 2 is 5 side plank conversions, okay, per side. That means it's a total of 10. So that means you're going to go into side plank, and as soon as you maintain that position, switch to the other side, okay? So you're going to come up. Good, I got that position, rotate, good, I got that. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, all the way up to 10. Okay, 5 per side, all right? Score here is the weight, so if you wanna start light and then add weight each round, okay, for the 3 rounds that we're gonna go through this, please do so, okay? If not, just stick to a lightish, moderate weight that you can move quickly and you can get all those 9 reps in under 40 seconds, okay? All right, let's see what our Metcon is today. All right, so we have a classic benchmark workout for today. Woo! DT by itself is pretty standard benchmark you'll see every like once or twice a year here, okay? We have a dumbbell version today, so let's check this out. 5 rounds for time, 12 deadlifts, 9 hang power cleans, 6 push press. So the EMOM right before here should have been a good warm-up for this and give you a good idea of what weight you should be using for the workout, okay? We're gonna go for a 12-minute hard cap here, okay? We're gonna try and get through 5 rounds in 12 minutes, okay? So I hope we can get that done. I was trying to do math in my head, like what that breaks down to per round. Can't do it that quickly, but just get through. So pick a weight that you can go unbroken per round. So 12, 9, and 6, and then shake out your hands, because this is gonna be a real big grip killer, okay? Biceps are gonna be really burnt out, and shoulders, okay? So make sure that you're supporting all that with your core. Like your core is tight, your hips are back, you're using leverage properly, you're not bending over in front of you and wearing out your low back, because you're gonna need that for most of this, okay? So 5 rounds for time, okay? That's all we got for today for our Metcon. I think it's enough work. It was a tough one, so good luck to you. Make sure you post your results into Wodify or on our Facebook page, okay? Talk to you later. Stay tuned for movement demos.